I have to say, this frame here, I'm gonna have to go with there we go. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, did you win? Come on now, focus. We're going my Sony CL-1500 here, so bear with me here. Anyways, I appreciate everyone who entered my little challenge there for Drone Nation. A little shout out to Not Sure, Nitro Volt, Hazard FPV, 0 Volts FPV, F-Core FPV, Always Shathbin, and FRSH Fresh. Thank you guys so much. I'm glad there wasn't more pilots, because man, if I would have went through that whole list, there would have been like thousands. Anyways, appreciate all the great flying, and the way Drone Nation had it, I don't know if it was either the pilots that didn't vote right away or just didn't get the likes in on certain pilots, but it was kind of weird because on mine, some of the pilots, it only showed like 2 likes, but then I watched the video and then it showed like 4 likes. So what I'm gonna do is just go by what it showed on my phone as far as likes. And I mean, some of the videos were kind of dope, and it should have actually gotten more likes, in my opinion. Anyways, so on my app, I'm Not Sure, you got 4 likes on your video, which was some really good flying. Very nice, and love the property. Let's see, 0 Volts FPV, you also got 4 votes, or 4 likes, in my phone app. And let's see, who else was pretty close on that? I mean, I'm surprised Nitro Volt didn't get more votes, because that was a really good flight that you had. Disappointment there that didn't get more likes, but anyway, out of the 4 votes, I'm gonna have to say, this frame here, I'm gonna have to go with 0 Volts FPV. Congratulations, buddy. That was some really great flying, and appreciate you entering the contest. And send me a little PM on Drone Nation with your address and whatnot, and I'll get this shipped out to you. Alright, brother? Congratulations. And as far as the 3-inch goes, who was it? It was like Hazard FPV. Oh, that train video was dope, brother. That was really fun. Even with a little 3-inch going against the train with the cross breeze and whatever. But anyways, the other one after that, who didn't get one? Oh, F-Core FPV, you got 1 like. Hazard got 2. And then Always Hathman on the 3-inch, you got 2 votes. And actually, the winner that actually got more votes was Fresh with 3 likes on your little 3-inch flight there, brother. Congratulations, and go ahead and send me a little private message in Drone Nation with your address and whatnot, and I'll get this shipped out to you. So, anyways, guys, appreciate you entering my contest. Congratulations to the winners, and stay tuned for more videos. We'll get back to you and get more giveaways going. All right, peace. Fly safe and take care of yourselves, everyone. Bye.